Noelle married Liam because he made her feel safe. He was calm, kind, intelligent. He made her feel safe. Noelle married Liam because he made her feel safe. He was calm, kind, intelligent. He could read books for hours and make her coffee just the way she liked it, with a hint of cinnamon and quiet love in every sip. He listened. He laughed. And when he looked at her, it felt like being chosen in a world that always overlooked her. But something changed, not on their honeymoon, not in the first fight. It started subtly, slowly, like a string tightening a little more each day. He started asking small questions. "You're wearing that dress today? Who was that guy on your Instagram story? Why didn't you answer my call?" It rang twice. Noelle thought it was cute. Maybe he's just jealous. She'd laugh to her best friend. But jealousy stopped being cute when Liam began controlling everything. He checked her phone when she showered, made her quit the gym because men stared too much, started driving her to work even though her office was just 5 blocks away. "You know I love you," he'd whisper while brushing her hair at night. "I just don't want to lose you." Then came the day she went to visit her mother. A simple weekend visit. When she returned, the house felt different. Colder, quieter, strange. There were locks on her side of the closet, locks on her drawer, on the pantry, even the refrigerator. She stood frozen. "Liam?" He came out of the study, smiling gently, holding her favorite mug. "Hey, love. I missed you. What's going on?" "I cleaned up a little. Put some boundaries in place." "Boundaries?" she echoed, stunned. "You locked my closet." He tilted his head. "To help you. You always say you want to cut back on shopping, and you snack too much late at night. I'm just helping you be better." "Better?" Her voice cracked. He stepped forward and placed the mug in her hands. "You'll see. This is good for us." That night, he didn't sleep beside her. He sat in the living room cross-legged, staring out the window, rocking, whispering something she couldn't hear. She should have packed and left, but she didn't, because there was still something inside her that believed in him. She didn't love the man he became, but she loved the boy she once met, the one who told her she made the world feel safer. So she stayed one more night. The next morning, she made him breakfast. Cinnamon toast. Eggs, coffee. She sat beside him and said softly, "Do you know what love is, Liam?" He stared at his food. She continued, "Love is not locking someone in. It's trusting them enough to be free." He didn't answer, just picked at his toast. Then he started crying, silent, painful sobs. "I'm scared, Noelle. My mom left my dad. My sister left her husband. Everyone leaves, and I knew you would too. One day. If I didn't do something." Her chest tightened. "I'm not leaving, Liam," she said, "but I can't stay in this version of love. Either you get help, or I walk out that door for good." Something in him shattered that day. He called a therapist. She helped him book the appointment. The sessions weren't easy. He came home shaking, sometimes silent for hours. Once, he threw a glass against the wall and screamed, "She's going to leave me. They all do." Noelle didn't flinch. She just sat beside him. "I'm not the people who hurt you. I'm the person trying to love you." He started journaling. One morning, she found a page open on his desk. "I don't want to be the man who locks doors. I want to be the man she chooses to come home to." Weeks passed. Then months. He stopped asking where she was every second. He started sending her flowers at work just because. One bouquet had a card that said, "No locks this time, just love." They began reconnecting. Sunday mornings were spent cooking together, not arguing. He danced with her again, terribly, adorably. She left for her friend's bachelorette trip in Vegas and came back to a home that felt like home again. Then came one evening quiet, glowing with soft lamplight. Noelle came into the bedroom to find Liam holding a wooden box. Inside it, every key he had once used to lock her away. He looked up at her, eyes glassy. I don't want to hide behind fear anymore, or hurt you because I'm scared. I'm done with control. I want to earn you, not own you. She didn't say anything. She just walked to him, took the box, set it down on the floor, and kissed him like the world had just restarted. That night, they didn't just make love. They made peace with their past, with their pain, and with the kind of love that grows through fire, not fear. But healing isn't a one-time miracle. Sometimes Liam still froze when she left without telling him. Sometimes his hands still trembled at the thought of losing her. But now, he told her, I'm scared again. And she would hold him, whisper, I'm not going anywhere. And he would breathe and believe. She forgave not because she was weak, but because she saw the difference between a controlling man and a wounded man who wanted to change. He started teaching other men through online groups, sharing his story, his shame, his healing. And she started writing again. About women who don't just survive bad love, they reshape it. One night, she read him something she'd written. A man once locked me in, but love gave him the courage to unlock himself. Liam smiled. I know that man, he whispered. She kissed his forehead. I married him twice, she said. Once in fear and once in freedom. Fear will tell you to control what you love. But love, true love, never chains. It listens. It feels. It waits. And sometimes it walks with someone through their worst parts, just to witness them become the kind of love that the world needs more of. Not perfect love, but brave love. Love that chooses to stay not because it's trapped, but because it's finally free.